Go.
This is Mobile Clean. This is a 34-foot fifth wheel mobile unit, fully state-of-the-art, equipped to pull on-site in just a few hours' notice to a claim or a loss, pull into the job site where the structure has been affected, complete with a crew of 6 to 7 people, and be able to process a claim in a matter of 5 to 7 days on the average. This unit is fully equipped inside with cleaning chemicals, trained personnel, and all the latest in machinery, including ultrasonic and full ozone station. There is no other unit in the world like this unit. We do have a patent pending on our systems and the Mobile Clean unit itself. Hi, my name is Anissa Coy, and I am the co-inventor of Mobile Clean and Mobile Clean Systems. We have brought this to the insurance industry and to the public as a way to help solve an industry-wide problem of time, money, and stress. Mobile Clean has been very successfully handling losses with content cleaning and structure cleaning on site for more than 3 years now. We have a patented process that will help to process claims in an average home in just as little as 5 to 7 days. Now that probably sounds pretty incredible to you right now. And that isn't all. Mobile Clean will save and restore more contents than any other way of processing systems, hands down. Mobile Clean will save on the average of $5,000 to $9,000 per job in pack out and hard costs of boxes and that sort of thing. And that's not even including and taking into account the thousands and thousands of dollars in contents and structure that we are able to restore back to pre-loss condition. Now, that's a pretty big claim to make, I know, and you may be wondering how we can do that. Well, I'd like to bring you inside the mobile content cleaning system, and I would like to show you exactly how we've made that possible at Mobile Clean. So, follow me. This is Mobile Clean. This is a 34-foot fifth wheel, fully self-contained with heating and air conditioning for year-round climate control. The door that we just came into is our 3-foot man door. Back here is a ramp that falls down to ground level. This is where all contaminated items are brought in color-coded bus tubs from the structure so that we separate the rooms. The items are very carefully placed into a tub according to type and ability to restore them, and then brought in here to the back dock door and processed here. Their first step is in our general cleaning station. Here we have Robin in one of the general cleaning station on this side. She's cleaning up some household belongings. We have very state-of-the-art, as I said, chemicals and training. Our employees are IICRC certified and trained, along with our own certifications and training for Mobile Clean. We have very state-of-the-art equipment on board. We have inline air compressor to be able to reach those tiny little crevices and areas that normally we wouldn't be able to reach. So Robin is working in that area. Over here on this general cleaning station, we have Dustin. And Dustin is working on some picture frames, cleaning them very carefully with we have an inline HEPA vacuum system, one on each side of the unit, and he is very carefully vacuuming this picture frame with that inline system. Now after some items that are able to be processed wet, we come over here to our double stainless steel sink area, where we pre-spray items with Like New or soak them in Score and before they are actually put into the baskets and then put into our ultrasonic cleaning machine, which is very state-of-the-art and very incredible on fire jobs as well as a mold remediation job. Then items are moved down here to our deodorization station. As you can see, Dustin is putting 99 on this picture frame so that we can deodorize it and then move it down the line. Some items are dipped here in these sinks for deodorization depending on what materials that they are made out of. We have an online hot water tank on demand for the crews to use, and both sinks are equipped with professional sprayers. Items are then moved down to our pre-drying station and set here ready to go into our state-of-the-art drying room. You'll follow me up here. I'd like to show you. This is our drying room. We have shelves that come out. We stack our items up in the drying room here, turn on the dehumidifier, pull the door closed, and in 15 minutes that room is completely dried, all the contents. When these items are dry, we then take them, put them into our tubs, and move them down into our packing station. Now we also have, I want to be sure and show you, a state-of-the-art ozone room. We ozone a lot of books and a lot of ceramic items that are maybe not glazed or small knickknacks. We find that larger items we do not need to ozone. We are very thorough in our cleaning process, and that's not necessary. So these items, once they're dry and ozoned, come down here into our packing station. Items are then wrapped in packing paper and or bubble wrap as necessary on the type of item, and then very carefully logged and inventoried by our computer logging technician and packed into a box that is numbered by the room and the name of the client or the homeowner. We also log destroyed items in an Excel spreadsheet that we then email to the adjuster, and we can also email to the homeowner. Now, all of this process is done in an average of 5 to 7 days per structure. We then print up, we have an onboard printer and fax on the Mobile Clean units. We then print up a copy of the clean, packed, logged, inventoried items and a bill, and have that all to the adjuster and copies to the homeowner within a matter of days. So, the old way of processing contents, you handle them 2 or 3 times, you pack them up dirty, you take them to a warehouse, and your clients are not sure, maybe weeks if not months, as to what other items will they ever see again. And are their things okay? What is a loss on their claim? What do you have to still deal with? And as an adjuster, that causes a lot of stress. And for the homeowner, the stress is untold. So we are able to do that for you in this Mobile Clean unit in a matter of 5 to 7 days, and we're on to the next job, and so are you. So no headaches, no hassles, no worries. The amount of money that Mobile Clean will save in the insurance industry and the untold amount of stress that it will save for everyone involved is priceless. So, in closing, I'd like to invite you to please pick up the phone and give us a call. Here at Mobile Clean, we would love to give you a personal tour and talk a little bit more in detail about how our systems can help you and your clients in their time of need. If you'd like to do that, please pick up the phone, give us a call, and we'll make some arrangements and set an appointment with you.
They're not running.
In closing, I would like to say that if you are not using Mobile Clean and Mobile Clean systems to process your insurance losses, you are simply tearing up money and causing yourself and your homeowners a lot of unnecessary grief and anguish. So please, don't hesitate. Pick up the phone, give us a call, and we would love to give you a private tour. Thank you.